Welcome to Tribe Topper. How can we find the momentum of this dummy of mass 70 kg, which is used in a crash test to investigate the safety of a new car? The car is approaching a solid barrier at 20 meters per second. So, what is the momentum of the dummy immediately before the crash? It would definitely be mass times velocity of the car with which it approaches the barrier. So, that's going to be 70 times 20, which gives us 1400 kg meter per second or Newton second. And if we have to determine the impulse that must be applied to the dummy to bring it to rest, because impulse is given by the change in momentum, it's delta p. So final momentum minus the initial momentum. So you get 0 minus 1400 because its final momentum is 0. We have to bring it to rest, and initial just before the crash was 1400. So your impulse is 1400 Newton second or 1400 kg meter per second.